Welcome to James Walker's English lecture. Today, we will learn how to pronounce laundry detergent. Listen carefully. Laundry detergent. Again, laundry detergent. Here are 5 examples. I ran out of laundry detergent and need to buy more. She prefers eco-friendly laundry detergent for her clothes. Add a scoop of laundry detergent to the washing machine. This laundry detergent works well on stubborn stains. The store has a sale on laundry detergent this week. Now you know how to say laundry detergent. Thanks for learning with James Walker.